Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic, fake background. This my background right here is fake. You might be wondering how I turn this background to this background. Don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how I change this background to this background. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. To start, I have some advice for you. You want to create content and post on YouTube. You have to make sure your content is looking clear, there's no movement of your camera, and you have a light to clarify your face. So for that idea, I would advise you to get a light to clarify your face and get a tripod to sustain your camera, either phone or camera.
If you don't have a tripod and you cannot afford one, don't worry. I am the queen of DIY. I made a DIY tripod that you can do at home with PVC pipe, and you can do it with very low amount of money, and it's going to be linked to this video, so you can always check that out so you can also achieve your own DIY tripod at home. If you don't have expensive lights or any lighting source at all, you do not have to worry. I made another DIY that you can use to make a softbox. But if you don't have all the time, let me tell you the truth. Nothing beats natural light. I am currently filming with the sunlight. Just sit across your window and film.
Now please take a few of your time. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, because here I teach you how to grow your channel and make money online. So to start, I have 3 free apps that we are going to use. We have leonardo.ai, we have Canva, we have capcut.
Now, to make this possible, we are going to be working with 3 apps. The first app is going to be Leonardo AI, which we are going to use to generate our background for free, of course. The second app we are going to need is Canva, in case of any slight mistake or if there's any adjustment that should be made. The third app that we are going to be needing is CapCut. It is going to be the video editing software that we are going to be working with. These 3 tools are absolutely free, and it is available on both your laptop and your mobile device.
They are free apps, free tools. You don't have to worry yourself. They are free apps that use AI, to create content.
So now let's get into it.
So first we are going to search for leonardo.ai in Google.
So now to generate our background, we are going to head over to Google and type Leonardo AI. Now when it opens up, you're going to click on the first one. After it opens up, what you need to do next is to create an account with Leonardo AI. It's either you are using your Gmail or your Microsoft account. The fastest and easiest way to create an account on leonardo.ai is to click on Google. Once you do that, leonardo.ai automatically create an account for you using your Gmail. Click on the Gmail you intend to use to create an account in Leonardo AI. After doing that, your account will take few seconds to be created. Now you have to input the username that you intend to use and check if it is available. The next thing is to select your interest area. For me, I am going to be going in for stock images. Confirm if you are older than 18 and go on. You might be further asked which role best describes you. For me, I am going to click exploring leonardo.ai for personal use. Once that is selected, you can scroll down and click on start using AI. When logged in, you will realize by default that you have 150 credits, and if you want more credits, you have to upgrade your account. But that 150 credit is going to be restored every day within 24 hours. It costs about 20 credits to generate image, so that is fair and enough for a start. Now to generate image, you have to click on AI generation and click on the prompt box to type in the prompt of the image you want to generate. We want Leonardo AI to generate a YouTube background setup for us, so I'm going to type that in. For each AI you generate, Leonardo AI is going to be taking out 20 credits. Now let's see what it creates for us. I am going to be leaving this prompt in the description box of this video. You can as well change 1 or 2 things to suit your preference. So now our image has been generated. If you are contented with what you see, you can go ahead and save it, but if you are not satisfied, you can do as much more prompt until you get your desired result. Now let us go ahead to save our image.
And there you have it for leonardo.ai. Let's go to Canva and see how you can transform those pictures.
Now we head over to Canva. It's also a free editing tool we can use as well. If you do not know Canva before, this is the interface of Canva, and it is a very good graphic editing app. If you are a creative, it's going to come very much in handy. So if you do not have it, you should download it and create an account ASAP. Now click on the plus icon to create a new design and type in YouTube thumbnail. The options and the custom sizes will come up. Pick the first one. When it opens up, click on upload and bring in the generated image that best suits you. The actual size of the generated image will be smaller than the entire canvas. That is why we choose YouTube thumbnail, so we can have an actual standard size. So you have to scale the image by dragging and stretching to fill the entire canvas. Okay, I think I will drag it a little bit. Yes, I like that. So I want to add an extra something to my background. I will go to elements and click on graphics, and I'm going to type YouTube icon, and it's going to give me options. I'll pick the one that best suits my preference, and it's going to upload on the background. I'm going to drag it to the size I want and put it in any place that I want it to be. Yes, I like it up there. A little bit of adjustment, and I think that's perfect. Now I'm going to go over to effects and click on shadow. Now I'm going to add glow to give it some kind of realistic effect, and I think I'm satisfied with that. After that, I'll go ahead and save my image.
And there you have our 16:6 YouTube thumbnail form that we are going to use for our video's background. So let's go to CapCut right now and make the background magic.
Now we are going to head over to CapCut. Insert the image you would likely use as your background. Now drag it all the way to the level you want your video length to stop. After getting to your desired length preference, drag your cursor back to the beginning of the video. Scroll down and click on overlay. Overlay your video on the background image, and depending on the length of your video, allow it to load. Now of course, click on the video and drag to the beginning of the background and scroll down to locate cutout. Click on auto remover to remove the background of the video. It is better you film your video with a plain background. If you notice, the mirror at the corner of my face is almost the same color as my complexion, so it is kind of causing a glitch. So when you're filming yours, make sure you film with a clean background, and it is advisable to make multiple splits on your video to avoid it getting frozen or glitching. Now with that said, you scroll down and click on effects, further click on video effects and type in blur. When the options comes up, click on the first one and reduce the opacity of the blur effect to give your background depth. When you've gotten your blur background preference, you drag it all the way to the end of the video. After that, we head over to filter. When you click on filter, you are going to see different presets that CapCut has made available. Click on the one that best suits you and makes your video look realistic enough. You can add as many filters as you want at the same time and just do your thing. When you are done adding your filter and you are sure that your background and your video actually blends, you can then go ahead and upload, and that's it. Please, I want to remind you to subscribe and stay tuned to this channel, because I am always going to be posting things that are going to improve your skill as a content creator. And with that said, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first person to know anytime I upload a new video.
Thanks you for watching this video. I'll catch up in the next.